Does anybody have any words of advice for the bride and groom?
Well, they say that love is blind. They also say that marriage is a great institution. It teaches us that love and marriage is an institution for the blind. Tell them, why are they married? I don't understand it. But some weddings, some marriages are made in heaven. But so is thunder and lightning. So you can't go with that. You got anything to say?
You don't want to build a lot on what he had to say. Matt, learn how to say yes, ma'am. That way you can always get the last word.
And get your honey-do list out.
10 most important words to know is, I was wrong, I am sorry, will you forgive me?